So instructional video, creating screencasts, using video as a part of your teaching and learning environment, especially in a remote environment or hybrid where kids might be in and out of school based on a particular schedule, videos just become super critical. Now, if you're working in a full laptop environment or a Chromebook space, it's pretty reasonable to build companion workspaces where students can watch the video and then engage with a typed response or reflecting on a part of that video, and they're able to keep both of those environments open pretty easily, whether they're navigating multiple tabs side by side, or if you're using Google's preview feature, you can allow students to watch video and have a companion workspace at the same time. So building these companion workspaces is critical to having kids engage successfully and have a meaningful experience when watching instructional video. So instead of creating kind of passive recipients of the video, there might be specific points in any instructional video where we're asking them to pause and reflect, or pause the video and work on this problem, or pause and ponder this point or idea and go work in your workspace. Now, teachers that have iPads as the primary device for their students, they might not be aware, or they might struggle with the idea of watching video while they're also working. I know one helpful strategy is to take instructional videos and put them into a set of Google Slides, but every time you click off of that workspace or when you're not in present mode, the video simply won't play. So what I want to do with this video here is explain two approaches that you can take that allow you to take your instructional videos that you've made and make them usable on iPads when they're paired with a companion workspace, a Google document or Google Slides. So let's get right into this process and I'll show you what I mean. So I have a Google document that's already mocked up, and in the Google document there's a link to, and you can see on the top here, there's a link to an instructional video that I've already hyperlinked to YouTube, and then that same video I uploaded to Google Drive and then linked here. So I'm actually going to show the Google Drive one first because I think that might be kind of a normal process that many educators might use. So I'm going to tap on the Google Drive video, and there's my link, right? It's an embedded link. So I'm going to click on that link, and the video is going to open up in Google Drive. But if you'll notice, let me just pause that for a second. If you'll notice in the top left-hand corner of the video, we have this option to make the video go picture-in-picture. So let's do that. So now the video is picture-in-picture. Now I was previously working in a Google document, so what I'll do is swipe up just to reveal the doc, go back to the Google Doc app that I was working on earlier, and now I have my digital companion workspace, the Google document, and I have my video that I can play in the corner. So notice, say I'm watching this video and I get the prompt from my teacher to pause the video and work on reflection number 1 in the companion workspace, I can easily do that now. So I'll play the video and we're watching the instruction. Now, if I need it to be a little bit bigger, no problem. I'll just double tap, the video gets a little bit bigger, double tap, it gets smaller again, and then I can tap to pause. And now what I have the ability to do is go into editing mode on my document, and then I can work in this companion workspace that my teacher has set up. So I can write a response here, and then I'll just drop my keyboard and keep playing the video. So that's with a Google Drive link to an instructional video that you've already uploaded. So what we can do now, I'll close that one out and I'll give the demonstration of the embedded YouTube link as well. Now this one I don't like as much because it's using the side-by-side feature. I really like that embedded video with the Google Drive function, but let's open up the YouTube link. So there's our hyperlink. Let's open that up. The video pops up on YouTube and that will start playing. But what I'd like to do now instead is swipe up to my doc, grab the Google Docs app, drag and drop it on the left-hand side, and now I have this split screen function where I can play the video on the right. There, that instructional video is playing. I'll pause the video, and then I'm able to go into editing mode right here. I can go into editing mode on my Google document and work in my companion workspace. If I need more room to work, I can grab the little slider on the middle of the iPad and drag it to the right, and now I'm kind of 75-25. If I'd like to focus on the video, I'll drag this the other way, focus on the video, and then if I get a call to pause and stop and work, I'll pause the video, focus on my document, and work in that companion workspace. So that's the whole process. I hope you find it to be really helpful. I really like this process of uploading instructional videos to Google Drive, linking them in this companion workspace, and giving kids a structured experience so they can kind of be active participants when they're watching your instructional videos. So thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notifications on any future uploads, and I really hope this one's going to help you out.